Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Marcy Dorn with another hair color video. So today I will be going from purple to blonde. So first I'm going to pick out my hair, or comb out my hair I should say, just so that I can make sure that the application is evenly distributed, no curls kicking out any product. So now that I'm done combing out my hair, I will be using Malibu's Direct Dye Lifter for professional colors. Success with or without developers. So you can use water by itself, or you can use 10 to 20 volume. The instructions read: section hair and apply freshly mixed Malibu CDDL with a brush to each section. Allowed to remain on hair for a maximum of 45 minutes. The longer the processing time, the greater the lift. Check hair every 5 minutes until desired results are achieved. Shampoo thoroughly and rinse Malibu C with Malibu C Wellness Shampoo. As you can see, the color has started lifting already. You want to manipulate the hair to try and help assist the lifter to remove the color, but don't really massage it. Okay, so it's literally probably only been 5 minutes since I put this on, and the purple is this close to being completely gone. I'm excited. Malibu Direct Dye Lifter for professional colorist. I'm excited. I wish I had a, do I have a stocking cap? I mean a shower cap. Look at his haircut though, okay? Just look at it. So, I don't have a shower cap right now. So what I'm going to do is put this bag over my head. Okay, so YouTube. You see that? Okay, so this is 5 minutes later. It still has a little tint of green, but I ain't mad at it. The less bleach, the better. So now I'm going to wash it out, and I'll be right back. All right?
A wild berry, truly hard seltzer. Total sugars?
Mmm.
One in the whole container. That's fantastic. Truly. Drink what you truly want. Hard seltzer beverage company, Boston, Mass. For 12-ounce soup.
So, unfortunately, I will still need to put a little bleach on my hair because it's green. And I know that's because of the blue. Some smart person put neon blue in their purple. I'm that smart person. I am that smart person, so we're just gonna go all the way. We're gonna go all the way in with this color application. And also it's still a little orange for me. So let me pause real quick. I can tell on the camera it doesn't look as green, but in real life you can see the greenish blue tint. In the back of my head is pretty orange. I'm gonna use 10 volume. And when handling bleach, you want to make sure that you are using gloves. So my consistency is really whippy, almost a little Greek yogurtish. But you do want to make sure you are wearing gloves. I know I'm talking probably really low. So I'm gonna start in the back. So I started on my ends mainly because it had a bluish green tint, and I would like for my hair to not look that color. But any other time, starting at your root when your ends are already blonde would be best, because you don't want to overlap over bleached hair. But being that I am using 10 volume and I'm not as concerned about my ends as well as do not do what I'm doing. Use gloves. Use gloves. So now I am going to mix my toner. I have my scale. And like I said, I am using Joico Demi Permanent 8NW. That's a 8 natural warm. Is put Olaplex number 3. It's a hair perfector. It's like a conditioning treatment. And you can let that sit on your hair as long I normally let it sit throughout the day. And then once it's done, then you shampoo and condition your hair like normal. But I like it. Different, better. Different is always better. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial on how to go from purple to blonde. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.